you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alex. I have been having the most laziest day today. It snowed here for the first time since I was probably like a teenager, so very rare, but I have been fully enjoying that. I walked out in the snow this morning and just really took it all in, and it just was so beautiful. But my skin feels very dry and just in need of some TLC, so I think I'm gonna do some type of at-home facial tonight just to really give my skin the love that it needs. My apartment feels so much cleaner. I've said it before, just having a clean space really helps my mind to feel clear, like I can think. So I'm getting ready to unwind for the night, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and start on some dinner, maybe take a bubble bath, just something very relaxing from this productive day that I've had. Pilates was so good this morning. It was very challenging, but it was still really good. Like, I felt like I got a really good burn. But what I wanted to talk to you guys about was, I think they announced the Switch 2 about a week ago. How are we feeling? I've had my Switch since they dropped it in 2017, so I definitely am in need of an upgrade. And it looks pretty cool. I know there's probably going to be exclusive games that come out on it, but how are y'all feeling? Are you thinking about picking it up, or are you going to stick with just your regular Switch if you play video games? I've got to go into work for a little bit, but when I come back, we can continue the evening, maybe treat ourselves to something yummy. So I'll be right back.